Holy moly. Wow. Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of Me Plus Everything. If you are new here, welcome. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. Now you guys, today's video is going to be a featured recipe, and today we are featuring Seonkyoung Longest. If you haven't heard of her, go ahead and check her out. I will leave a link in the description box to her channel. So today's video, I'm going to be recreating one of her videos. It's going to be the Dan Dan Noodles. Now, if you guys have never had Dan Dan Noodles, let me tell you, it is amazing. I've had it a few times. It's a Sichuan originated noodle dish, and it's filled with so much flavor. A little bit, it tastes almost with like a hint of peanut butter, and with the chili oil, and just with tons and tons of other flavors. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and we're gonna try it out and see how her recipe tastes. Okay, so I think that's everything. Let's go ahead and get to it. that's it. What do you think? It looks great, doesn't it? I'm gonna give it a try right now. But before I do, there were a few things that I substituted out or some that I didn't add on. So I think this dish, and once you kind of get a hang of it, you can, you know, add and subtract whatever you want, kind of just, you know, make it to your liking. And so that's kind of what I did. I've had Dan Dan noodles before, so I do kind of know how it should taste. But if this is your first time, I would try to go along with exactly what the recipe says, just to kind of get the actual real feel of what Dan Dan noodles should taste like. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm super excited. I've been waiting this whole time. Yeah, drooling in my mouth. Okay. All right, so let me give you guys a close-up. That's how it looks. I already stirred it all up. Ooh, my mouth is gonna... Okay, let's give this a try. Holy moly. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. Woo! I think I put too much chili oil. Oh. I'm turning red. First of all, oh, my mouth is numbing up. I put too much Sichuan pepper. Ooh, man, it's good though. You can taste that slight kind of peanut buttery taste, but it's not peanut butter, it's the sesame sauce. Oh man, I feel like I'm literally drooling in my mouth. If you guys have ever had Szechuan popcorn before, where you get that numbing feeling in your mouth, that is what is going on right now. My goodness. Oh, this is so good though. Wow. Wow. I have to say, this is probably one of the best Dan Dan noodles I've ever had. Ooh. The spice is there. Ooh, I'm sweating. Oh man. Okay. Woo. All right. What I will do next time, I would put 1 tablespoon of Szechuan pepper and 1 tablespoon of chili oil. Oh my gosh, the mixer, my mouth is just about to explode right now. You guys, don't take this as a fail, because I do love it. I just put a little too much. But hey, if you love the burn and you love the tingle, go for it. This is your dish. Okay guys, so that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching this featured recipe video today. I am still burning and sweating, and my mouth is still numb, and I'm salivating in my mouth. Yeah, so I'm gonna go finish this, and I'm gonna let you guys decide if you want to try this or not. I think you really should, just so you can finally say that you've tried Dan Dan noodles, or that you have tried Szechuan cooking. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share and comment down below. And also, lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button right there. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.